Style Files.
Hi, Blair said, I love my Ugg boot slippers and want to wear them out in public, but I know that I will be ridiculed. How can I make them fancy? Don't fear fashion ridicule, Blair. I've got some solutions for you. I did have a fashion dilemma sent to me once by Scraps that was kind of similar. They were living in a cold climate and were having difficulty transitioning from slippers into shoes. As a solution for Scraps, I made this attachable sole that you velcroed on at the door as you were leaving the house. This might help with practicality, but I'm not sure how fancy this look is. Black is considered quite a fancy colour in fashion. You could try just wearing black Ugg boots, but you may not have black Ugg boots or may not want to buy another pair. One of my neighbours, Arena, has given me a whole bunch of sample shoes that I like to play with when I'm doing experiments. I've picked out a few of the fancier ones, and I started by cutting off the soles and discarding them, then putting the top of the shoe over my slippers. If you roll down the top of the Ugg boots, they kind of stay in place. I tried a few combos using either black or chestnut colour as the base Ugg boot, and combined that with different shoe tops. I added some glittery socks to enhance the fanciness. You can mix and match and make your own combinations. Now my Ugg boots are fancy enough to be worn outside. No ridicule will be had. I hope that helps, Blair. If you have a fashion dilemma, get in touch with me and let me know, or maybe you're just a DIY dynamo and you want to tell me about some fashion hack that you've done. Either way, you can contact me on social media or through my YouTube page or even through my website, www.thedcstylefiles.com. See you next time on DC Style Files.
The DC Style Files.